Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm reading this book, Soft Skills, the Software Developer's Life Manual by John Sonmez, and it's a really interesting book, and I think there's a lot of things to take away from it. So, one of the things that he recommended is have a professional resume writer actually write your resume. And I'm no professional resume writer by any stretch, but I write a better resume than most, so I decided to forego that advice. But I did something kind of interesting instead. Now, I've used LaTeX for a number of years for a lot of different things. For example, I translated a book some years ago and I used LaTeX to translate it. Around that same time, actually, I guess it was a little after, I saw Luke Smith basically do a live demonstration with LaTeX and he wrote his resume. And so basically, his resume was pretty bland, if you ask me. So it was kind of like maybe something really simple, you know. As you can see, there's like 100 lines of code, basically, showcasing some things. And this is kind of the result that you would get. It is okay, but it's not really, it ain't something that's going to pop out. It's not going to get a recruiter's attention. So I decided to do something a little more interesting. So I downloaded a template right here, this one right up here. So let me let me go ahead and okay. Okay. Okay, so let's just go ahead and unzip this. A second. Okay, so now we can okay, it seems to have written. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, shall we? So yeah, it did build. Now, even though it built kind of clumsily and it's not very well built, I will say that it did definitely build. So here we go. Let's look at document viewer. And this is basically, the outline. Um, so then afterwards, if you take a look, I'm going to kind of show you kind of what's going on here. So when you compile it, it basically outputs this. This is your input. You have a log file, logs file. Those are usually unimportant unless you get an error that you can't handle or something like this. Right. This is the enchilada. This is where, like, for example, if you go over here, like if you see CV name, right? So this has been declared inside this CLS file or CV profile pic, CV custom data. I also figured out like how to put these icons in and make them look really, really sexy and a lot of other things. Now, when I do compile this, there is a couple of errors, so I can't actually output this to an HTML file for some reason, but it will output to a PDF file. So this is what it looks like at the end, right? And so I was able to put it on my website, kind of like this. I can download it really easily. It's all really convenient. And if you're looking for something where you just go in and you just simply edit the source code, so it's kind of like this, very easy to edit. There's no real work involved as far as editing. You just kind of have to know a little bit of what the source code is doing. It actually tells you. And like I said, I could figure out how to put all these sexy icons in here. It was just basically font awesome. I got them from the Font Awesome cheat sheet. And there's a little trick to it, to get these sexy icons to list like I did, but I got them. It looks really good. I'm really happy with my resume, and I think it will take the Pepsi challenge with anything that a professional um, resume writer would be able to do. Maybe, they could probably sprucing up a few things, but for the most part, I think this actually rocks. And I think if a potential employer saw this, I think they would go for it. I think they would like it a lot, and I think they would give me a call just based on what what is shown here. So this is my resume, and if I'm being honest, I don't think that Luke Smith did himself any justice writing out his resume, if I'm being honest, because just a little extra work, and this is what you get to look at. And it's a lot of really, really nice eye candy and stuff like that. And I really enjoyed making this. It was really fun to build. And so, anyway, there it is. That's my resume, folks. So, what do you think? Just leave me a comment in the section below and just have a great day. And I'll check y'all later. Bye.